This is that future shit.
You can't run the race, the pace is too fast, you just won't last. You love the way I look at you, while taking pleasure in the awful things you put me through. You take away if I give in. My life, my pride is broken. You have to think you're never wrong. You live what you love. You have to act like you're someone. You live what you love. You want someone to act like you. You live what you love. You wanna share what you've been through. You live what you love. I'll do the way I hurt myself again, just
my motorcycle wings are flooded, I'm star-studded. You mouth not gonna be able to cut it. Listen, I'm a tough act to follow. Keep in mind my pride's hard to swallow. Wanna get personal, close and intimate? Listen kid, I'm a whole different instrument. Mental, I'm not sentimental, I'm intricate. It's impossible not to get into it. My intent to vent is not innocent. I'm guilty of being real filthy with these menacing ways. It's time to finish your phase.